Hello, good morning, trade pros. Welcome to our morning market update for Friday, March 29th of 2018. This will be the last trading day of March. Tomorrow is a holiday on Friday in observation of Easter weekend here in the United States and North America, Canada as well. It's Good Friday tomorrow, so markets are closed. Typically, stock markets are closed or stocks and shares are closed for trading, but futures are open. However, tomorrow, no futures will be active. All markets will be shut down. And the market closes as of 5 p.m. Eastern time today. All right, so that's in the futures market. So tomorrow you're not really going to have an opportunity to trade, but I would urge you to use that opportunity to spend some time with your family and loved ones. Just relax. You've earned it. We work hard, but we also got to play hard. In today's morning market update, we're going to talk about equities overall, some of the economic news that came out this morning that's impacting the markets, and what to watch for throughout the last day of the trading week. So it's a shortened week, and there's going to be a little bit more volatility today as traders enter into a 3-day long weekend. Many traders don't want to take on the risk of 3 days on which they can't close their positions, during which a lot could occur, as has happened politically across the world. And there's a lot of tensions building also between China and the United States. So that extra day adds a lot of significant risk if you're going to hold your trade. And that's why there's going to be a battle today going into the close between the buyers and sellers. Some traders will be closing positions. Some will be reopening them, rebalancing, hedging. There's going to be a whirlpool of activity, and that's going to be amplified by the fact we have 1 day less in this week. All right, so let's go through and have a review of our equity markets so far and where we stand this morning. All right, if we look at Asia, in Asia, Japan is up 0.6%. Hong Kong's up 0.2%. China's up 1.2 percentage points, and India is closed. In Europe, at midday, London's up 0.4, Paris is up 0.6, Frankfurt's up 0.7%. So in the Asian session, we had some flatness, some moderate or modest gains rather, with China being the big winner, up 1%, a little bit of relief rally. In Europe, we have a pretty decent rally. The pace has increased to the upside in the European markets, and in the United States here as well. Dow Jones is up 1/3 of a percentage point. S&P's up 4/10. NASDAQ is up 6/10 of a percentage point. So equities are recovering today a little bit. But the question and the title of this video is this a dead cat bounce? And what's a dead cat bounce? Traders are very graphic people that lack imagination. So if you think about a cat falling from the 7th floor, even a dead cat will bounce. That's kind of no further explanation needed, I guess. Is it a dead cat bounce? We'll find out. The one thing to watch out for today is the price action. If the price is rallying on weakening volume, that means there's going to be more downside that we're going to explore early on next week. Today, I don't walk into the session today with a direction or a bias. Today, I'm going to be very careful the first 5 to 10 minutes in the U.S. market. Look at how the orders are flowing in our live trading room. We're going to have some discussion around it and pick a direction to latch onto. Also, in today's market, if you're trading or you're going to trade this, like I said, it's going to be a little bit more volatile. So what you need to do in order to protect yourself is to trade a little bit less. So maybe a little bit less frequency, decrease the amount of contracts you're trading with, so less size. And I would also say that you should take profit quicker. Okay, less profit, less risk on your trade. So be out quicker, trade less frequently, and trade with less size. Those are 3 things that if you implement together at the same time, you're going to give yourself an opportunity to be profitable. And how can you be profitable? There's 2 ways: make a lot of money, all right, or lose little money. And of the 2 ways, I prefer the second. Many people get into this profession hoping to make millions of dollars in their first day of trading. But the reality is, if you make that much, then you're going to be able to lose that much just as quickly because you're trading off the hinge. You're just trading off kind of off the cuff. And you're not going to survive. There's a saying in the business, there's old traders and there's bold traders, but there are no old and bold traders. There's a gem for you. All right, that should kind of summarize the whole job for you in one nutshell. All right, so today expect a little bit of upside. I don't know how long it'll last. The bears may just overpower it and press us to new lows. We're going to be watching very carefully. You could join our trading room and be part of that. It comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk for making that one decision. So there you go. Join us, trade together live in the mornings with us. It's the best way to do it. We got a great group. We got the best trading group online, and I could make that claim because I know. All right, initial jobless claims this morning. We'll talk about them in a moment. 9:45, we got the Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index. 9:45, Chicago Purchasing Manager Index. Doesn't really drum up too much sentiment. We'll We also have, it's Thursday, which means it's natural gas inventory day. So at 10:30 in the morning, we have natural gas inventory. At 10 a.m., we have consumer sentiment. 1 p.m., we have Fed's Harker speaking on the economic outlook. We also have the Baker Hughes rig count, which is going to impact oil. We got a lot of news this morning, so you need to listen to Newswire to be informed and up to date. One of my favorites is Trade the News. It's a paid subscription service. However, we have a discount for TradePro subscribers. And if it doesn't fit your budget, then another one you can use is Financial Juice. It's free, but it's oftentimes not up to date as quickly as it needs to be for you to trade it. All right. So there you go. There's two options I've provided you. In today's market, look for, everything looks a little bit range bound overnight. It seems to be a little bit of a rally, but the rally is on low and weakening volume. As I look at these markets, you can see the US dollar had one heck of a day yesterday, huge rally. Oil prices are starting to break down. Excuse me. So I think oil might be a downside day, and support on oil would likely be all the way down at 62.95 at this point. So we got quite a drop potential coming out on oil. The latest report showed a lot of record positions long in oil. So a lot of traders are getting stuck at the top here around the 66 level, and they're starting to get anxious and nervous. So that might lead to a spill to the downside as sell stops are triggered. All right, SPU's holding 2,600 for now. Dollars up. Gold, huge dump after trading 13.55, now trading 13.22. So it's down $30 in the last 2 days. All right, bonds are continuing to the upside. Bonds is one of our favorite long trades. We've told a lot of people to get long bonds when they're trading in the 144s. Now they're up to 146 and climbing. So that upside trade will continue and volatility is flat. So you guys have a good day out there. Be careful. Remember, it's a Thursday that feels like a Friday because the markets are closed tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, and we reopen again on Monday. Tomorrow, I got a great video coming out for you guys at 9 a.m. Eastern. So if you want to check it out, same schedule instead of our morning market update. I've recorded it. It's scheduled. It's ready to go. It talks about my one favorite tip on how to use volume to eliminate head fakes and bad trades and allow you to get in with more accuracy. So that video is going to be posted tomorrow at 9 a.m. Hope you guys watch it. All right, comment, like, share, subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming your way. Have a great weekend. Happy Easter if you're celebrating to you and your family. Stay out of trouble this weekend. It's a family weekend. Come on, why are you getting in trouble in the first place? But yeah, I'm flying home tomorrow, actually. So this is my last full day in California. And then I fly back to the cold tomorrow. I've been told it's rainy and 5 degrees Celsius. So looking forward to that. I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care. Happy Easter to you and your families. Trade careful today. And trade like a trade pro. Manage your risk. Goodbye and take care.